dishes, and what I do while I'm waiting for my brownies to cook in the oven is I usually do my dishes. Now, I'm not a big hand washer. I love my dishwasher, so I'll rinse all these off and ultimately put them in my dishwasher. And then before the company comes over, I'm always going to run my dishwasher, make sure it's empty, so that whenever everyone's done eating, things can just go in the dishwasher. Call today to find out how we give you quality cleaning at reasonable rates. Like us on Facebook and get a quote at GuaranteeMadeServices.com. Let us give you your weekends back.